Hi Raider Nation, today is Friday, May 4th, 2018. I'm on the east end facing west right now. I never came on this side in any of my videos, so you can see all the action going on, all the rebar in there and getting all kinds of forms and stuff going. You can see the truck driving down in there, so it's pretty deep. Like that whole crane is down in that hole. So you can see that's the cement. That's the cement place I had in my last video. So I'm at the opposite end of the property right now. I'm on the northeast corner. See all the rebar getting all set up. And over there by all the cranes, that's pretty much like the north edge of the stadium. What they're doing there. I think they're some kind of sewer work in the street over there. Alright, I'm on the east end of the property now, facing west. So you can see some of the cranes down in the bowl. But they're putting all the rebar and foundation along the edges right now. Can't see into it from this angle. That's the bad part. You can see way down there. So here's my proximity to the strip. It's right behind here. So that bridge, that's Hacienda. That takes you right between the Mandalay Bay and the Luxor. And this is the I-15, Mandalay Bay Convention Center. And that bridge down on this other end, this is Russell Road. Alright, right now I'm standing on Hacienda up by the bridge. Just trying to give you a little better perspective of what's going on down there. See a lot of metal work in there. I'm going to show you perspective. Alright, so when you go to the strip down this way, I'm sure with a lot of San Jose Shark fans here in Vegas, we're all Vegas Golden Knight fans, so that's the proximity. That's T-Mobile Arena where the Golden Knights play. So it's probably not even a quarter mile away. We got Game 5 tonight. Alright, that's about all for the update today. So today was May 4th, 2018. Any Star Wars fans, may the 4th be with you. Kind of cheesy. All right, if you want updates, I try to do them at least one a month. So subscribe to Duntop1967, and I'll see you next time, Raider Nation.